On August 24, 2023, what began as a routine DUI stop by the Indiana State Police spiraled into a complex legal and tactical confrontation.
What's your name, ma'am?
Latanya.
Latanya, I'm Trooper Lucky with the Indiana State Police. He explained why we stopped you guys, right? Okay. Gotcha. I was just looking at this picture here and thought maybe it didn't quite look like you.
That's me.
What's the last 4 years? Okay, I appreciate you. We'll be right back with you.
Okay.
I'll have you come back here, okay? If you want to sit on the curb, you can.
I'm cool because I'll get stiff.
You what?
I'll get stiff. Be hard for me to get up.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay, you're good then.
I just got out of the Lake County. I just got out.
For what?
Failure to appear.
For what?
Probation.
Come on, face the car.
Why? Oh no, that's why I ain't got no warrants. I don't have no warrants. What's wrong?
Stop.
I don't have no warrants.
Stop. I'll talk to you in a second.
What is
Stop.
wrong? I ain't did nothing.
Okay.
No, I did. No, I did.
Let go.
I don't have anything. That wasn't me.
Hey, ma'am, if you resist me, I'm going to charge you with resisting arrest.
I'm sorry. That was not me. I promise I ain't
Stop
done
resisting
shit.
him.
That
Stop.
wasn't me. I haven't did anything. Please, sir, I
Stop.
haven't did anything.
We're not going anywhere until you calm down.
Okay, I haven't did anything.
If you calm down, I'll talk to you.
Okay, I haven't
Is that
done
fair?
anything.
Is that fair?
I haven't done anything.
All right.
I promise.
So right now I want you to relax your arms. Relax your arms. Okay. So don't tense up on me again. Okay. I want you to spread your feet. Okay. And I want you to relax your arms. Okay. All right. Just like this. Don't pull away from me again. Okay. All right. Let your arms go. Touch the back of your hands together. Ma'am.
Put the back of your hands together like this, okay? Yep, exactly. There you go.
I haven't did anything.
You're good. Okay, don't move. Okay? You're just being detained. We'll figure it out. Don't worry. You got any more on you?
No, that's not mine. That don't belong to me. That's not mine. I promise you that.
Stop moving.
That's not mine. I promise you.
I watched you throw it on the ground.
I ain't throw nothing on the ground. I promise you I did.
This is a camera.
Okay, I didn't throw nothing on the ground. I promise. You didn't see me throw nothing.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't. You telling a story. You didn't hear me throw nothing. That was not mine. I stood right there. You didn't hear me throw nothing in the ground. If I thrown it, I would have thrown it in front of you.
I actually think you dropped it on accident. If I'm being honest.
I don't have nothing. I don't do that. Oh, my mama, that's not mine.
Hey, you got any coke?
No, I don't have none.
No, okay.
No, I just came to my sister's house.
She had coke on her, okay, so she's going to jail for that. Is there any more in the car?
No, I just picked her up. She just got in right there on 15.
Okay. Who does the car belong to?
That's my car.
Okay. Can I search it?
Yeah, I don't have nothing in my car.
Okay. Just stay here for a second. The reason why I want you to sit over here, not on the curb, is because the coke she threw was right there in the grass. I just didn't want you near it, so that way there's no miscommunication. Okay?
Yeah. So you sit in there.
Yep. Okay, good deal.
I'm hot, sir.
I understand.
That's not mine. Okay. That's not mine.
I appreciate it.
That's not mine, sir. That's not mine.
Can you move? Actually, I'll just go.
Oh, it's hot. Highlighters. I don't have any. That's a lighter. That's mine. Where my phone at? That's not my stuff.
Your phone's in the purse.
Okay.
I'm giving you a chance to be honest before I search your purse. If there's more in here, I'm not willing to work with you. But if you're honest, I will work with you. I know I'm going to find some coke or something in there, so tell me what I'm going to find and I'll be honest, and I'll work with you.
That's not mine. They're going to lock me up.
Okay.
There's nothing in there. Some drugs. There's nothing in there.
Okay.
Nothing. Nothing. That's not mine.
Do you have a medical condition we should know about, ma'am?
Yes,
what do you have?
I have failure heart. Congestive failure heart. Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you need to see a doctor right now?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, I'm sweating bullets.
Do you want EMS to come here?
Yes.
Okay. Little 13-255.
That's
Passengers
don't belong
requesting
to
at
me,
10:52.
That's not mine. Can I have my asthma, please?
I got to tell the ambulance what.
That's not mine. That does not belong to me.
Hey, stop moving your arms when she's trying to search you.
I don't have anything.
Is she letting you search?
Yeah.
That's all I have is a lighter.
There.
That's it.
Yeah. This
That's all
is
I
all
have.
it is.
Nothing.
Is that more coke?
No.
Is that what you found?
Yeah.
No, he
Well, then
found
I'm
no
not
coke
opening
on me. He haven't found no drugs on me.
I did.
No, you did. You said I dropped something. I didn't drop nothing, sir. That's not mine.
To drive with her at this
That's
point?
not mine. You wrong. And then you say stuff was on his seat. That's not mine. I just got in the car with him. I promise you.
Have you taken vitals on her? No.
I promise you.
Because if she doesn't need to be transported by you, I can just transport her.
Yes, Amy, I want you to the hospital. Just bring me my property. You got you
You
wrong.
okay if I take you to the hospital?
No, I want to go with them. Let this bring me my property, but you wrong. You accusing me of something.
I'll take that.
You
Put it with the other
wrong.
evidence.
That sounds nothing in the nothing.
You
Nothing.
can't go with us if she's gonna act like that.
Nothing. I'm just saying. He's talking about
Okay.
that. Okay.
Hey, listen to
Okay.
me. Listen to me.
Yeah, wrong. Bro. I will help you.
This officer right here is going to transport you to the hospital. Okay.
I'm gonna come jumping up there and say you wrong. You're accusing me,
Hey,
sir.
hey,
I don't have anything. That's not mine.
listen.
That's not
gonna
mine.
transport you to the
That's
hospital,
mine, but
okay?
That's not mine.
Where was this at?
In my bra. I keep a lighter in my bra. I smoke cigarettes.
What's the paper towel?
My baby, look how I be sweating, sir. Ain't nothing in there. I promise you. I don't have no drugs. I didn't have no drugs, sir.
Okay.
That's mine.
Come on, come with us.
I have a right to talk to a
Stop
therapy. I want to talk to a therapist. Please, before you take me, let me talk to a therapy, please.
No therapist.
A psychiatrist, yes, they are. Yes, they are.
Stop screaming.
Please, I'm not doing anything wrong.
People in this hospital are sick, and you're keeping
I'm
them away.
sick, but y'all don't care nothing about me being
People in this
sick.
hospital are literally dying. and you're
Okay,
screaming,
I'm
keeping them
dying
away.
too.
You're not dying.
I got heart failure.
You're perfectly fine.
No, that's what they're saying.
They're perfectly
They'll
fine.
tell y'all anything. I want to talk to a psychiatrist.
Okay.
I need to talk to a psychiatrist. So you're going to treat that base or whatever on me. And I want to talk to a psychiatrist. I want to talk to a psychiatrist.
Keep your arms down.
I want to talk to a psychiatrist.
Keep your arms down, okay?
I want to talk to a psychiatrist.
There's kids in the hospital.
Okay,
Keep your arms down.
Talk to the psychiatrist. I want to talk to a psychiatrist. Please talk to a therapist. Please. For 1 minute, can I talk to a therapist?
Stand up.
I want to talk to a therapist.
She just keeps putting them down.
I want to talk to a psychiatrist.
We're just gonna have to force her up.
Oh, now you got crazy. My brains are real gonna get fucked up.
Stop.
For real, I want to talk to a therapist. Can I talk to the therapist? It's a psychiatrist here. A psychiatrist.
Stand up.
It's a psychiatrist. I want to talk to a psychiatrist. I want to talk to a psychiatrist. You gotta have my hands up. I want to talk to a therapist. Let me pull my phone.
Stop it.
Please let me pull my phone.
Just walk.
Let me pull my phone. You hurt me. You hurt me. You hurt me. You're abusing me. You're abusing me. You're abusing me. Yeah, you hurt me.
All right, come on.
You hurt me. I want to talk to somebody. I have a right to talk to a counselor, please. I have a right. I have a right. I have a right. I have a right. Wait a minute. I have a right.
Hey, she's bit me.
I didn't bite you.
Stop.
I have a right.
Stop.
I didn't bite you.
Yes,
I have
you
a
did.
right. I did not bite
Hey.
you. I did not bite you. I have a right to talk to a therapist. I have a right.
I don't think you went through the glove. She
I
tried.
didn't bite you.
Stop.
I have a right to talk to a therapist. And I'm not feeling good. Y'all can force me out here. I have a right. I have a right. I have a right. I have a right. I did not bite you.
Can you contact Maryville for a cage cover? Contact one.
Y'all wrong. I did nothing wrong. I want to talk to a therapy. I did nothing wrong. And y'all come in here and tell me I'm fine.
Stop.
I'm just doing this. I'm not going nowhere. You tell me I'm fine. And I'm not fine. I'm not fine, sir. I'm not. Please understand, I'm off of my head! Please! Please take your hand off of my head! You ain't gotta take me like
Hey,
that!
don't bite then.
Well, then get off of me like that!
Okay, don't bite.
You can't treat me like I'm a dog! Quit doing that! That's what y'all police do! Quit treating me like I'm a fucking dog! I am sick and y'all don't give a fuck! I want to talk to a psychiatrist, y'all don't give a fuck! That's what y'all do to black people! Treat us like shit! Everywhere we go, y'all treat us like shit! Every time the police get involved, it's about shit! And that's not...
Trooper Lucky initiated the stop to assess the driver's sobriety, but the focus quickly shifted to the passenger, LaTanya, whose erratic behavior raised immediate red flags for the veteran officer. As the interaction progressed, LaTanya was ordered out of the vehicle. Under the Supreme Court precedent of Maryland versus Wilson, officers may order passengers out of a vehicle during a lawful traffic stop to ensure officer safety. Notice LaTanya's initial resistance to sitting on the curb, claiming physical stiffness. In police tactics, this is often viewed as passive resistance, a precursor to more active physical noncompliance. The situation reached a critical turning point when LaTanya tossed a small package into the grass. This action established probable cause under the Fourth Amendment, granting the officer legal authority to initiate an arrest for drug possession. As LaTanya began to physically struggle, Trooper Lucky employed soft, empty hand control techniques. Under Graham versus Connor, the reasonableness of this force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene. The officer maintains a reactionary gap, the minimum safe distance of 6 to 10 feet to perceive threats and initiate a response. This tactical spacing is vital when a subject becomes unpredictable and combative. LaTanya then claims she suffered from congestive heart failure. Under the 14th Amendment, the state has a clear duty of care to provide necessary medical attention to those in police custody. While EMS was summoned, LaTanya's behavior shifted toward what appeared to be a faked psychotic episode. This is a common tactic used by subjects to divert attention or avoid transport to a correctional facility. At the hospital, the confrontation intensified. Despite her claims of medical distress, LaTanya's actions remained aggressive, culminating in a report that she bit the arresting officer. Under Indiana Code Section 3-5-44 on a -3-1, this conduct constitutes battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting law enforcement. These are serious felonies that far outweigh the initial traffic violations. The transition from passive resistance to active violence biting shifts the subject's position on the use of force continuum, justifying more restrictive physical restraints to protect hospital staff and officers. Faking a mental health crisis does not provide legal immunity for criminal acts. The prosecution will rely on the Bodycam footage to demonstrate that her actions were calculated attempts to escape justice rather than genuine distress. LaTanya was ultimately charged with possession of cocaine under Indiana Code Section 3-54846, resisting arrest and battery. Her choice to resist turned a manageable legal issue into a life-altering felony case. Now for the final evaluation. Trooper Lucky receives a B. He maintained professional composure and followed medical protocols, though his initial perimeter control allowed the subject to attempt to discard evidence. LaTanya receives a D. Her decision to discard drugs in plain sight, resist arrest, and physically assault an officer in a hospital setting demonstrated a total disregard for the legal process and personal safety. The key lesson learned here is the importance of the reactionary gap and early scene control. For citizens, this serves as a reminder that the roadside is not the place to litigate your case. Resistance only compounds your legal troubles. Tell us what you think about the officer's handling of this medical claim in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth legal and tactical analysis.